It is so very sad what has happened, and it made me very sad, but at the same time, it made me very very angry about the fact that it has happened. The fact that somebody has to die for people to realize that they are their friends, and then they come and say that only if this person had called me, like, that's not good. Like, nobody has time when you are living, but as soon as you are not there, the very same people have time to come and say that only if this person reached out to me, we would have helped them, and we would have done this, and we would have done that. It's all just bullshit. It's outright bullshit, and in fact, it's outrageous what they are saying, because when you actually need help and you try to reach out to people, nobody responds, because everybody wants to see what is their benefit in helping you or supporting you and all that stuff, and it's all fake. So that is what made me really angry about it, and I have been following the news for 2 days now, and it's just heartbreaking to see that how people just don't care, and they only care when you are not there anymore. It's very very sad, but I know we call it an industry, but in the end it's not an industry. It's a group of few people who have been there before you, and all that stuff, and nobody gives a shit, and everybody is really for their own. And even though people ask you how are you, nobody actually really wants to know how are you in the end. And mostly people will call you when they need something from you, or they see a value in you. That is how they will treat you, and it happens to everybody. It happens to, and it's high time people spoke about it. And I think that is the reason I'm speaking up today, because it's important to speak up. We are not stupid people. We are all educated people who have come from their respective fields and are trying to make things work in the industry, and just to define ourselves based on their perception is not something we have learned in our life, and we are not going to do because you think or you gang up against somebody. It's not good, and we are not going to live by your rules. And the amount of sadness somebody should have felt before they took such a big step it's shameful for the other people who actually led that person to that stage, and today who are coming and they are saying that they are good friends and we wish we would have kept in touch with you and all. Like, where were all of you when he was alive? Excuse me? Like, it's all talks for 2 days and it will all die off. And I want to reach out to friends that I know who are in the industry, and I'm not one of those people who act fakely or who act because somebody else wants us to act in a certain way, and I'm not a person who will listen to your stories and go tell somebody else. And so if I can help you in any way, like even just by listening to you, please do just share your stuff and there is a lot of people like us who have a lot to face on, and we're trying to make our mark in the industry. Like, stop judging yourself by other person's perspective. Like, we just have to stop, because people don't care. If you die, they will come to show, but when you are alive, they won't. So it's better, the only thing you can do is just love yourself too much that other people's hatred can't reach to you. And there are very nice people in the industry as well, but then again, the thing is, everybody is too busy, and I'm sure other people who have come out to say those messages, maybe they are also very nice people, but the fact is that they were not there. So nobody is ever going to be there until unless you are there for yourself. And that is how you have to go on. You have to fight on. Sometimes you have to play their games with them, because not everybody has a kind heart. And yeah, take care of yourself.